everybody, this is Vicki Schamel from Keller, Southern Tier and Finger Lakes, and I thought maybe it would be interesting today with all the statistics coming in that we talk a little bit about the Southern Tier and Finger Lakes market. So what I want to do is go over some of the snapshots of how our real estate market's been doing, particularly in 2021 coming into 2022. So still coming off of the pandemic time frame, we have currently some changes in our market. So these are the important changes that I like to look at. Some closed sales. So we were down 5.5% overall in the year for closed sales. We were up 16.9% in median sale price and down 1 year change to 39.3% down for homes for sale. So you can see that our inventories are still really very short in this area, and our buyers are still very active, which has been doing some pretty good increases for sellers in the market. So here's what's happened comparison between 2020 and 2021. Currently, our median home sale price in the area came from $132 to $155. Our average sale price went from $152 to $179, and list to sale price is about 98% of the list to sale price. So very active market. The one number that I do like to keep an eye on is the affordability index. The affordability index right now is 237. That did fall a little bit from 287. I do have a good explanation on all of these figures, and I'm going to put it in a link for those of you that like to dig through numbers. These are very interesting numbers to have. The one that I'm most concerned about is our month's supply. We have 1.7 months of homes supplied in our area, which really means that we are looking for a lot of home sellers to get active in the market. And if you're a seller who wants to be active in this market, I wouldn't wait till green grass comes. I would really try to get into the market now, because with this very low inventory, the sellers that are very active are the ones that are getting their homes sold and getting them their homes sold very quickly and for at or over their ask price. So again, if you're ready to put your home on the market, give me a call. You can reach me on my cell, you can send me an email, stop by the office, and we hope to talk to you soon. Anyways, this is Vicki Schamel from Keller, Southern Tier and Finger Lakes, and don't forget to look at the link below to pick up all the data that I've talked about today. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.